What's up, guys? We're antelope hunting here in Wyoming again. This time I have two rifle hunters with me, my buddy David and his friend from Kansas. And I've got the pistol again, the 7mm. It's about mid-season. We were in no rush to get here. I was doing a bunch of elk hunting in the early season. Got a really nice bull with the bow. Got my buddy a really nice bull and during first rifle season on opening day. And yeah, we're up here in Wyoming now. Gonna go chase after some goats and have some fun doing it. I love antelope season, man. It's a little bit low-key of a hunt. Not gonna be a ton of physical effort, and it'll be a ton of fun. So let's go see what today brings.
Come on, turn your knee.
That one that's standing on his feet, he's facing that way. Away or looking away?
He's looking straight at us now.
Yeah.
But he's real spindly. Like,
Is he in the back? Yeah, far back. That's a good one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a really good one.
there's a sandbag on the dog box. Put it on the hood.
Orton.
He's gonna be 500 yards before too long, isn't he?
Yeah. Trying to get a better look at him here.
He's stopping.
Which one is he?
In the far back, in the right.
Yeah, I like him because he hooks really good.
Yeah, exactly. He's deep.
You gonna shoot that thing? Or
Range him.
They're gonna come down. He's gonna come down with this group.
Which one is he? Is he the one on the hill there?
Far right.
They're gonna be at 480 still there. He's in the very back. He's not to the telephone pole yet. He's the one on the right side of the telephone pole. Looking back, looking right. He's looking. Yeah, he's looking. Is that him, Logan?
Yep.
Yeah. He's just getting to the telephone pole.
Running now.
470. What'd you dial to? Yes, you're fine. You're close enough. Yeah. Tell me when you're ready. I'll give you a stop. There we stop. He's at 490. Tell me when you're ready.
Yeah!
Smoked him.
David!
Smoked him.
Dude!
500.
We need you in the one-shot contest.
Check out.
Good shot. That was good.
Man,
Shooting, dude.
Yeah, I was like, fuck it.
I was zoomed in on that sucker and he just fell out of the frame. One down. That's a good goat too.
I've been waiting to shoot one of those fuckers for a long time. Didn't know it'd be off the back of a Tundra.
This is your quintessential antelope hunt.
Killed it with Compton Corey.
Just driving around and.
Well, usually if he's pretty small, that's what I'm going to say. Well, you shot the wrong one. Oh, you didn't shoot the one on the right? Oh, fuck.
That's why I said, you know, is it looking at it? But it was kind of by itself, really.
It happens with these round hills like that. They come, you know, like, oh, it's the last one, and they shoot, and then here comes another one. You're like, oh, fuck.
Like a deer guy, I felt like they're about ready to run.
They
They're just kind of walking.
They were getting a little
squirrely.
squirrely, but
I'm surprised they did their trot twice, but didn't fully book out. I thought they were gonna send it into the next county. And you know what? We're lucky they turned this way. He's tall, dude.
nice. It's a good goat. I don't know where he's hitting now. Right in the sweet spot.
Woohoo!
This is what I was talking about. See how his cutters?
Top of the ear.
Top of his ears.
Okay.
And then the you know, like I said, a lot of those up there were just straight up, you know.
Wow.
You know, he's got decent mass, decent cutters. And then he could, like I said, this is what you want to look for is the curl. Like some of those just go straight up and they look.
With him.
Oh yeah. No, he's
Good job, dude.
Thank you.
for this area and stuff. I mean, like I said, the hardest thing on a goat is judging their mass.
Yeah.
You know, you got to look at their eyeball, and then you look at this here, and then, you know, when they're looking straight at you. But I mean, he's about as good a goat as they come. Hold on, let me drag him. Watch out.
What's that deal? Just dead deal. Fucking pull those horns off that sucker. How about that, huh? Found a dead kill antelope. And right in the background is David shot his 50 yards from it. What are the chances? I'll pull this horn sheath off here. Take him with.
I built a coyote gun this year that feels like a toy. It's quite a bit lighter. Is that right?
Yep.
It's on the back, yeah.
He's 345. The wind's going straight 90 degrees to the right. close. 250. Can you make this shot? Aim a half-MOA left. He's coming to us now.
Is that much wind?
Well, there's 10 mile an hour. He's 250. Damn, he's tall.
Yeah. You on him still?
Yep. Hold on, let me go in with the camera.
That's what I meant. Oh man, I'm all over the place.
You ready?
Yeah.
He's getting no closer.
Just let him.
Let him keep coming. He's about to be 200. He's 210 there. Got him.
I hit him. Good, yeah. Follow him with the camera, David. Come on. He's down, he's down. Oh my God, what a shit show. Me and David came up over this hill. We had found this goat off the road by this water hole. It came around, so we got on this hill right on top of it. It was right at about 300. I was getting up to it, I wasn't even on it yet, and my finger just brushed the trigger and the gun went off way low. I've got this trigger set super light on this pistol, and I think after this hunt I might turn it up a little bit. It's great for the range, but not, it's a little light for a hunting situation. So anyways, then I'm shaking like crazy, my adrenaline's going, and this goat comes to like, 250 or whatever. I get a good beat on him, I'm shaking, I don't really have that great of a rest. I shoot and miss, and then we got lucky, it came closer, came to 200, and I held it right on at 200 and smoked him after I got settled down a little bit. But another goat with the pistol. It looks like a pretty good one. I'm excited to go put my hands on it, but whew, what a rodeo. What a rodeo. Check out this rest I had. We got tucked up right in here. That was the good thing, David. He never saw us. He was looking, we were behind these rocks. He couldn't see us. He ended up coming closer. Yeah! Look at that. That's probably the coolest rest I've ever shot from. Little orange rock pile. Pistol on the bipod. Woo! Hell yeah.
That's a good go.
Yeah, we'll take him. Hey, I said right away, as soon as I saw him, I said, if you don't want him, I'll take him. Hell yeah.
Nice birdie. Very birdie.
Yeah, on the inside. A little bit of junk.
Yeah. No.
Thank you, buddy.
That one was like a $4,000 goat.
Look at that, little fighting marks.
Yeah, that one's extra, by the way. That's the thing, is they're all different. Every
He's
one
tall.
of them fuckers are.
Yeah, he's tall. He's got plenty of mass to him. He's a good goat, man.
Yep. Hey,
He doesn't like. See, it's weird how he carries his mass up right here. That's what I'm saying. So you'd get a measurement here. You take the horn and you divide it, so you get two measurements below and above. So you get a mass measurement here, and then one here, and one right there. So you'd get, score-wise, that's where you look at. But it's so hard to judge mass on them goats.
Fuck yeah.
And if they carry that mass up there good,
So I've been learning a lot. Like every time I hunt with this pistol, I learned something new. On this hunt, what I learned is I planned on shooting off the tripod, so I didn't bring a rear bag. I'll never leave a rear bag at home ever again.
Even with the high power rifle, it's a game changer.
Yeah.
That rear bag is.
Off that rock, if I'd have had a rear bag, it would have been the best rest ever. But I didn't, so I was using my hand underneath it, and it was kind of would have been the best. We just came over the hill, and there's one right in front of us here we're gonna get set up on. That's a good hit.
Huh? Yeah. See, that's the thing, like I said, no, he's, like I said, like that other, he's still heavy here, but then he, you know, I mean, that's just I mean, and that's normally what we kill on this units, you know, them 70s, you know, this is, those 70s, I mean, he'll be, that goat will go probably 72, probably, you know.
Look at his face. Look how black his face is.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, look at that. See how it brows out? Look at that. I like when they're symmetrical, you know? When they're
Yeah, these are even.
What expecting, you know? You could lay on the ground.
Hey, look at guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed what you saw. One day, 3 goats that are awesome. Like I said, I hope you appreciated it. If you do, make sure you click like, click subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.